My name is Renee, and my project is called Truth, a fake news detector. What is fake news and why it matters? Fake news is described as news that is intentionally and verifiably false, designed to manipulate people's perception of reality. And fake news has some pretty drastic effects. It causes panic and mistrust among people, especially Americans, and it can lead to deaths, and it can lead to people it can lead to further discrimination against minority groups. An example of this is a 2022 study examined the effects of the portrayals of the Black Lives Matter movement and fake news on people's attitudes towards African Americans. People exposed to fake news about Black Lives Matter reported more negative attitudes towards Black people than those exposed to accurate news sources. And so this not only leads to discrimination, but can put minorities in harm's way if hate is intensified towards those groups. And so, how can we fight against this and use AI to help? And so Truth will be able to categorize news and text and determine if it is fake news or not. And so one way to do this is by using BERT. BERT is a natural language processor, and it stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. And it has two steps. It's pre training and fine tuning. So it is trained to do a lot of tasks, and it can understand human language and classify text. And so, using a fake news data set, we can teach BERT to classify data and classify text to see if it's fake or not. And this AI tool can be used on social media and implemented on websites. These are my sources, and hopefully, with Truth, if it was to be implemented, it can stop the spread of fake news, causing less panic and causing people to trust the news and government